Watch your cash burn. Go ahead, spark the flame. Leather and plastic melt into ash. Why? Because paper money is dead. Look at your phone. That digital glow is the new face of wealth. Look at those heavy vault doors slam shut for the last time. Traditional banks are dying. Instead, we tap screens to pay. Cash is history, replaced by the digital wallet in your pocket. Look, big tech crush old stone banks. Dust flies. People swipe screens, send cash fast. No lines, no waiting. Old tellers watch power slip away. Future here now, you ready? Look at this. Kids buy global stocks with one tap, getting instant loans in seconds. Meanwhile, traditional bank branches sit empty, gathering dust. The old financial empires are crumbling, replaced by glowing screens in young hands. The rulebook just got shredded. Regulators are rewriting the laws of finance, and the giant legacy banks are panicking. Adapt instantly, or watch your customers vanish forever. The clock is ticking, and nobody is safe. Look at your phone. Invisible digital networks now link us across continents. We transfer wealth instantly, bypassing slow, greedy legacy banks and their massive fees. Old financial gatekeepers lose control. Old banks panicked. They built bloated, buggy apps. Tech startups saw the weakness. They wrote clean, fast code and stole millions of customers overnight. The old giants never saw it coming. Look at streets. Heavy metal cash machines gone. Vaporized. Now tiny screens in pockets hold all wealth. Digital wallets rule world. Cash is dead history. You ready for future? Tech giants launch global coins. Old banks watch power vanish. Centuries of control gone overnight. Code replace vault. Digital wallet rule world. Who hold key to your money now? Look at cold stone vaults. Locked forever. We don't trust heavy iron gates anymore. Now we trust glowing tech logos on screens. Old banks died. Silicon giants hold our future. Legacy giants watch screens turn red. Wealth vanishes in seconds. Silicon Valley giants sweep in, buying cheap assets, building new digital empire. Are you ready for cashless future? Panicked governments lock down traditional banks, freezing your hard-earned cash. But tech giants don't care about borders. They are launching digital currencies, rewriting the global rules of wealth right under their noses. Look at them. Angry crowds dump useless paper cash. People trade tech tokens directly, peer-to-peer. Central banks watch, completely powerless. Old financial empire dies today. Power belongs to people now. Look at these stone vaults. Once mighty giants, now dusty museums. Today, invisible digital networks run global trade. No physical branches left. Wealth flows through air, silent and absolute. Finger hovers over delete. One tap ends relationship with legacy bank forever. Will you dump these old giants today or trust them one last time? Choice is yours. What will you do?